Alright guys and gals, welcome back to another video. My name is Eddie, owner of Easy Vending. This is just going to be a very quick part 2 to the first spreadsheet video. I forgot to just show you guys how to factor in location costs if you pay for a location. So if you do pay for a location, that has to go into your cost of goods. Because you want to know how fast you're going to get your money back. So you need to calculate your ROI or return on investment. And so just going to go through this really quick for you guys. And in the description, if you're watching this video first, if you came across this video first, look for a link in the description. That'll take you to the first video showing how to use the spreadsheet in its totality. Okay? And you can watch that part 1. But otherwise, this video is just to show you if you pay for a location, whether it be on a box, bulk machine, full line, otherwise, what you can do to be able to see your ROI. Alright, so look, very simple. You'll just go down here, over here, where the candy items usually go, right? And if you watch the first video, you'll see how I showed you how you can add things to these drop-down menus, okay? You can add items to these drop-down menus. Now, if you want, you can add these things to your drop-down menu. You can add location costs. That's all you have to put is location costs. In fact, I'm going to show you that real quick, just in case this is your first time watching the video and you didn't watch the first one. You'll go to data and then validity. List will pop up. You'll just go under the last thing that's listed and you'll just put, type in location costs. Actually, I don't know why I always forget this. Highlight the whole row. Well, you really don't have to highlight the whole row. Just do it on the bottom row, because we're going to put this on the bottom. So in the cost of goods sections under products, you're going to put this on the last bottom row. This is the only place we're going to use to factor in the location costs. All right. So we'll just do it that way. Then select data, validity. And then under there, we'll put location costs. Alright, and we're just putting this at the bottom because we don't want it to be all mixed up here, okay? So, I'll just go open the drop-down menu. Select location costs. And then right here in the cost of goods, where you would usually put, your cost to fill your machines up, you would just put whatever your location cost to place. So for instance, let's say you bought a location for a bulk machine. That's normally around about 50 bucks, right? So we'll just put 50 in there. All right. So now that takes our cost of goods to $86.91, and you see we got a net of minus $37.64. So what this does, this gives us a more true and accurate picture of what our machine / honor box is making. So this will let us know when we really turn a profit, because I think a lot of times people buy their location and they're making money and they think that they're turning a profit and making money, when really all you're doing right now at the moment is covering the cost of the candy and a location, if you paid for a location. That's if you pay for a location. This is just for if you pay for a location. So if you pay for a location, you have to factor this cost in if you want a true picture of how your machine or box is doing. I'm assuming if you got a full line machine and you pay for a location, which honestly I pay for locations, but if I had a full line machine I would not pay for one because it costs too much. But let's just say you pay $400. That's about the going rate, right? You already got yourself $400 in the hole plus whatever it costs to fill that. So as you see, my net right here is minus $387.64 because it's taking into account like some of this other info that was already in the spreadsheet. But you would always already put yourself 400 bucks in the hole. All right, so it's just that simple, guys. You go down to this last line right here. You put in location costs. You can type it in there. You can add it to a drop-down menu. It doesn't matter. Just type it in, whatever. I just wanted to show you how to add stuff to a drop-down menu. You put how much your location costed in there. And so when it starts factoring in everything, as you service your machine, you fill it, you collect money from it, then your net right here, that is going to give you a more true picture of when you really actually make your money back off of that machine or box in that location. All right, so that's all I wanted to show y'all. Once again, the link to the original video that shows you how to use this spreadsheet in its totality is in the description, so check it out. If this video helped you out, why don't you go ahead and like it. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna keep on putting out some good videos. I'm gonna keep on putting out some good and useful tools for you guys to use. And if you need the spreadsheet, like I said, just do me a favor. Subscribe to my channel, help me out that way, and I don't mind helping you out by sending you a spreadsheet to help you out in your business. My name is Eddie, Easy Vending. Peace.